Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix if your phone number is banned from WhatsApp. So guys, if you are using WhatsApp on this number and facing the issue that your number is banned, so guys, how can you fix it? So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back, and after doing this, you need to open any internet browser. And after this, here you need to search WhatsApp support. So guys, after doing this, you need to click on first one link, contact WhatsApps, and after this type of interface will be open. So guys, you need to click on WhatsApp Messenger support. So if you are using WhatsApp Messenger, then you need to click on first one, and if you are using business WhatsApp, then you need to click on second one. So I am clicking on first one because I am using WhatsApp Messenger. And after this, guys, here you need to select your country code, and after selecting it, you need to here put your phone number. And guys, after this, here you need to put your email address, and here again your email address for confirmation. And here you need to put check the your phone that Android or iPhone or any other. So I am using Android. And after this, here you need to write your problem. So guys, your problem is, hi WhatsApp team, my phone number is banned on WhatsApp without any reason. I can't do anything that is against WhatsApp guidelines. Please do unban my phone number as soon as possible. So guys, after writing this, you need to click on next page. And after this, your request will be submit to WhatsApp support, and they will unban your phone number within a day. So guys, by doing this method, you will be able to unban your phone number. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.